8th class student, exercise 6D, question number 5. Question number 5 is first part, using the formula of squaring. Find the value of 54 square. A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. That is formula. We find the value of 54 square. 54 write in two terms. 50 plus 4. A will be 50. B will be 4. Plus 2 into 50 into 4. Square, remove the square. 5 square is 25 with 10 by 10 plus 4 square is 16 plus 5 to the 100 into 4, 400. After plus 2916. First part is complete. Second part is 82. 82 is 82 make 80 plus 2. This time A will be 80 and B will be 2. Plus 2 into 80 into 2. Remove the square. 8 square is 64. 00 with 2 square is 4. Multiply by 8 4 ja 32. After plus 4 2 7 and 6. That is second part. Third part. Fourth part is 704. We find the identities. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. 704 make the 700 plus 4. This time A will be 700, B will be 4. Putting the value into 4. 7 square is 49 with 2 with 40 plus 4 square is 16. 500, 5600. After plus 16, 55, 49. Question number 5 is complete. Question number 6. Question number 6. All question make the minus formula. Minus formula is A minus B. Question number 6 is first part. First part is 69. 69 write the 70 minus 1. Square is equal to A will be 70, B will be 1, 2 into 70 into 1. After square 7 square 49 with 40 plus 1 minus 140. After minus is 4901. 140 is minus 1674. 4761 is first part is complete. Third part is second part will be make 80 minus 2. Third part is 197. 197 make the 200 minus 3. A will be 200. B will be 3. Minus 2 into 200 into 3. After square 2 square is 4. 00 plus 3 square is 9 minus 1200. After minus 40,009 minus 1200. 9 0 8 8 and 3. 38809 is the fourth part. Fourth part make the number is 999. 999 make the 1000 minus 1. A will be 1000 plus 1 square minus 2 into 100. 1000 into 1. 1 with 60 plus 1 minus 2000. After minus is 1 with 60 and 200. 2000. 1008 9 and 9. 998 001 will be fourth part. Question number 7 is second part. Question number 7 is find the value. Second part is first and second part same. 128 square minus 72 square. This be a square minus b square. Write the plus and minus. A will be 128. 128 plus 72. 128 minus 72. After plus is 200. After minus is 4 and 4. 56 is 2 minus 6, 12 minus 5. After multiply 112 with 20. Second part is complete. Third part is number are 197 into 203. We may write 197 200 minus 3. 203 write 200 plus 3. Make identity a minus b and a plus b. Identity is a square minus b square. A value is 200. B value is 3. 3 square. After square, 2 square is 4. With 4 0, 3 square is 9. After minus 3, 9, 1. Third part is complete. Fourth part is question 198 into 198 minus 102 into 102 upon 96. 98 198 make the square. 198 square minus 102 square. We may write in numerator 96. It is same. That is formula a square minus b square. We write the a plus b and a minus b. According to formula 96, it is same. 198 plus 102 and 198 minus 102. After plus is 300 and after minus is 96 upon it is same. 96 by 96, 300 will be value of the fourth part. Question number fifth part is 1 14.7 into 15.3. We may write 14.7 15 minus 0.3. 15.3 right be 15 plus 0.3. That is make the identities 1 a minus b and a plus b equal is a square minus b square. Here is a is 15, b is equal to minus 3, 25, 0.09 after minus 0.091. First fifth part is complete. Sixth part is 8.63 whole square minus 1.37 square. That is identity a square minus b square. We write the plus and minus. So we write the a will be 8.63 plus 1.37, 8.63 minus 1.37. After plus is 9 and 10. After minus is 6. 5 is 2 and 7. 7 after multiply is 72.6. That is the question number end of the question 7. Thank you.